hear me. Don't just listen to me. Please don't think about what I am trying to say as well. A very warm welcome to Be Aware Soul YouTube channel. In world, there might be many people who say that you cannot do it because you don't have experience. You cannot do it because you have no knowledge. You cannot do it because you do not have any skill. But there is a woman who did it, who made it possible without experience, without knowledge or without skill. She could make it in life. She could become successful in life. So today I'll be talking about this woman and what we can learn from her life. So today I'm going to be talking about Priyanka Chopra. Priyanka Chopra's father said, be like water. When he said be like water, he meant that when you see water, you put it in a glass, it turns into the shape of the glass. If it is in a river, it is in the shape of the river. If it is in the lake, it is in the shape of the lake. So it takes form according to the situation, according to places. So by this he means that any situation in life, any part in life, do your best. Any time, any part, any situation. Do your best no matter what. Basically, when you talk about human beings, in the past there are many mistakes that we make. But the truth is, we learn a lot from these mistakes. Anything we experience in the past becomes an experience for our future. So that is what Priyanka's father is trying to say when he says that be like water. You need to adapt to the situation and give your 100% even if the situation is worst. Every time you see Priyanka Chopra, when you listen to her speaking, what do you feel? You can feel the confidence in her life. You can see the confidence when she speaks. So her life is completely based on her confidence. She always says that confidence played an important role in her life. So when we talk about confidence, do you think Priyanka Chopra was confident throughout her life? Obviously no, right? There were situations in her life when she was not confident. For example, during her teenage years, she had to study in America. So at that point, there was a situation where she was bullied due to her race, and at that point she lacked confidence. She lacked self-esteem and she felt inferior. So there are situations in life where you lack confidence, but she's learned to become confident. From that situation onwards, she knew how to be confident. A person who didn't have experience in ramp walk, who didn't know modeling, who was not an actress, could become the Miss World and Miss India just because she had confidence along with hard work and consistency. The next thing we can talk about Priyanka is her hard work. I would like to give two instances to show how Priyanka Chopra has been such a hardworking person. In the beginning, when Priyanka started acting, after a few movies, she didn't get opportunities because of her race. So at that point, she decided any role she gets, she'll work hard, she'll give so much of effort to such an extent that that role is played to its complete capacity, and people should know that she is capable of doing it and no one can replace her in that situation. She did movies, she did blockbuster movies that were completely different from movies that were there in Bollywood industry at that point of time. That was the amount of effort she put in her work. There was a movie that required her to be a Kathak dancer in a shoot. And at that point, she learned Kathak for nearly 8 hours a day to ensure that she did her best in that role. Similarly, when she had to do the movie Mary Kom, she ensured she knew boxing and she had the same kind of fitness that a boxer has. She learned boxing and she did become fit. The final thing we'll be talking today is about consistency in her work. When we talk about Priyanka Chopra's consistency, from the time she's become a Miss India, Miss World and then an actor, she's been working hard consistently. In Bollywood industry, there was a problem of racial discrimination and it was hard for her to find opportunity. She had to struggle for opportunity, but she never gave up. Similarly, when she entered Hollywood industry, her first opportunity was in the music industry. She tried hard for 3 years before giving up because she knew it was not meant for her. Finally, she got an opportunity in a TV series, and even in that audition, she was so confident that she got her opportunity, and that was her first step towards success. When you talk about Priyanka's life in Hollywood industry, it was not that easy because she was a part of Bollywood. She had to take steps like as if she was someone who was new to the industry. That was the amount of work she had to put in. So if you see Priyanka's life, she taught us to be like water, to be confident. Even if you're not confident, fake the confidence until you get it. That is what she says always. Be confident, work hard and stay consistent in your hard work, and this will lead to your success surely one day or the other. Thank you. Have a nice day. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe.